Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create a game pass in Please Donate. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. Make sure that your account is signed into the website and you will be redirected to the home page of your account where all of the available games will be displayed. Before doing anything or proceeding with the Game Pass, make sure you have read the community guidelines regarding it. Make sure you have read the articles regarding the spam guidelines and keep in mind that Roblox prohibits disrupting or misleading others on the platform. This includes deceptive, sensational, or otherwise misleading content or metadata used to inappropriately drive discoverability or engagement, repetitive messaging to other users, or uploads to Roblox systems, creating experiences solely to direct users of Roblox. Now, once you have read the guidelines, let's jump right into the tutorial on the Roblox official website. Simply click on the Create tab at the top of the screen and you will see a web page like this one. Here, click on the dashboard embed and you will see a default place on your account. This place is by default, so you don't need to worry about it. So click on it, and then in the sidebar menu, you will see a tab named Passes under the monetization section. Simply click on it and you will be sent to the Passes web page. In order to create passes, click on the Create a Game Pass button and you will be on this page to create your pass. You can upload the image that you want, then just enter the name you want to display right next to it in the Please Donate game. Enter anything you want along with the description you want to display with it. I am typing random things as this is for a tutorial, but you can try typing something valuable if you want. After that, click on the Create button at the end. After that, your Game Pass will be saved. Now your Game Pass logo will appear after a few seconds of saving the Game Pass. Once it is saved, click on the newly created Game Pass and make sure to access the Sales tab in the left side menu. Here you will be able to set the price of your Game Pass. You can see that it is written that 30% of what you get will be sent to Roblox. In simple words, if you sell a pass for 10 Robux and someone buys it, you will only get 7 Robux out of it. So if I set the price to be 40 Robux, I will only get about 28 Robux on what I sell. After you are done with the sales price, click on the Save button and it will save automatically. Now, in order to sell your Game Pass, make sure that your place is not private. In order to check that, you just need to go to the settings of your place and set the privacy to public. Once you are done with the above steps, open the Please Donate game and simply look for a stall. Once you have found a stall long, press C to make it yours and your newly created Game Pass will start displaying over it. So that's basically how you can create a Game Pass in Please Donate. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.